julle, ek is Janie.
En ek is Wayne.
En ons is hier by Van Heerden Apteek se 40 jaar bash.
Dit is ongelooflik. Die ou man kan nog ry hoor.
I'm blown away. It's phenomenal.
Lekker dag, lekker mense.
Ek is verskriklik opgewonde om nou met die Dakar kar te ry.
Celebrating 40 years of Van Heerden's pharmacies, having an awesome time.
Okay, julle antwoord.
I didn't think I needed to hold on as much, so I really did enjoy this a lot.
Is lekkerder as braai vrytjies.